Come here, would you?
Sort it out amongst yourselves.
Come in and park yourself on the hide, son. Hell, my daddy used to say, never look a gift horse in the mouth. And by golly, he never did. Would you like a drop of the old Kentucky?
No thanks.
A clean thinker. I like that. Now, the property business isn't all about highfalutin paper pushing. It's about dirt, and the will to claim that dirt. You with me, son?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I need some tenacious bastard to let go of some dirt. And you look to me like the kind of guy to persuade him.
Persuasion's my forte.
Yeah, he'll be down at the country club, down on the golf course. They don't allow guns, so his bodyguards won't be packing lawgivers. Go beat 8 tons of crap out of him. Here now, I got you a membership. And boy, you're gonna need more appropriate clothing.
This guy's my new friend. I never had a friend with a wig before. Adam and music.
I really catch the wave. Wave 103. For the generation that's bearing the weight of the world on its shoulders. Wave 103.
Is this me?
Nice ass, baby.
Who is this guy? Boys, deal with him.
Get him!
What was your
Do
tea
that,
time?
psycho!
That's my graduation present.
I'm doing charity work, asshole.
Station piece at our special parties.
Please put your car keys in the hat and the fun will begin.
It's like having a personalized alarm clock.
I brought you a drink.
Ah, it's 8 in the morning.
I made it a double.
Oh, Domestabot.
Domestabot. He's 3 foot high.
power and fertility around your neck, what kind of woman is going to respect you? That is why I have teamed up with Medallion Man, the shop for medallion needs. Medallion Man caters to all levels of masculinity. For the strong, silent type, a medallion the size of a hubcap will say everything that needs to be said. Even singing medallions for the Casanova, who knows music is the food of love. Model trains, dollhouses, diapers, whatever your interest, we've got the medallion.
What the f... What was that?
I gotta lay off the pills. I'm seeing shit. You want me to drill you? Some pissant messing around, I'll bust your wise-ass toy. Crush, kill, demolish.
and lose weight, especially in the brain. BJ's Fit for Football, out now on beta and VHS. Remember, to win a game of football or life, you have to annihilate everything in your path in a blind race.
More mood swings than your pregnant wife. Emotion 98.3.
Hello, I am Fernando Martinez, and this is Emotion. When I first come to Vice City, I feel all lonely, a man on the outside, a foreigner. Then I say, Fernando, you like to talk a lot. So I get a well-paid job on the radio and begin to make my name as a successful DJ. Now I'm not so lonely, but I never forget my roots. I never forget, and so I always have a soft spot for foreigner. I've been waiting this next.
Tommy, this is Donald Love. Donald, this here is Tommy Vercetti, the latest gunslinger to come to these parts. Now, Donald, you just shut up and listen, and you might learn something. Now, nothing brings down real estate prices quicker than a good old-fashioned gang war. Except maybe a disaster like a biblical plague or something, but that may be going too far in this case. You getting this down, you four-eyed prick? Now, recently a gang lord died. You disguise yourself and head on down and crash the funeral. Mix it up and then hightail it. You getting this down, Donald? Well, that ought to put the coyote in the chicken coop, huh? And then we'll just sit back and watch the prices tumble.
will touch your soul like a spider.
Something missing? Complete.
Funny from a high building or something, or a truck driving over your foot, you know? Powerful, like a dream where you go to work naked. Let's take a break while I recompose myself. Remember, too much emotion is always a good thing.
Howdy, partner. It's 4:30 in the morning here at Farewell Ranch, and it's time to get up and work the old cows. Get up, y'all! At Farewell Ranch, old people don't sit around stagnating, watching game shows and talking about the good old days. See? Steering time, we'll work Grandpa so hard he'll wish he was dead. At the end of the day, he'll sit down in the bluegrass, eat a bowl of commemorative beans, and enjoy sing-alongs at one of our nightly...
Hey, Leo, I got some work for you.
This ain't Leo.
Hey, if Leo knows you got his phone, he's gonna kill you.
Maybe Leo's already dead. Maybe I killed Leo and took his phone. Did you ever think of that, prick?
You kill Leo? You must have big cojones. Wanna work for me? Come by my father's cafe in Little Havana, and we'll talk mano y mano.
I bought a toothbrush, some toothpaste, a flannel for my face, pajamas, a hairbrush, new shoes, and a case. I said to my reflection, let's get out of this place.
See, man.
Hey, easy, papi. This man's for me. You the boy? Oh, yeah. You the boy. I think so, you know.
No, I don't think I do.
Oh, yeah? You come here, tough guy. You think you'll take me on? You think you'll play stupid with me?
No, I think you're playing plenty stupid enough for both of us.
Hey, he call you dumb, son.
And I call him a little girl, papi. Look at him. All dressed up like that. What is this? Ladies' night? You some kind of tough guy? You dress like a woman? You got on panties like a woman too, huh?
What do you got against women? You prefer men, big boy?
I like women. I like all women. I love my mother, Chico.
All right, I'll take your word for it. Relax.
Can you drive, amigo?
Yeah, like a woman.
Very funny. I like you, big boy. Maybe you can help. Maybe you can prove you're a man, huh? Take out the boat. Show me you got some big cojones. And not some little bitty chiquita ones.
Hey, Enrico, you the man with the big cojones?
Tommy Vercetti, let's go.
Okay, man. Treat her like a woman.
Talking about the wisdom of the ancients. There are many hurdles in life, Amy. I remember one of the first bits of fan mail I got came by bottle in the sea. A man of Lollard Island said, a tiny woman came to our farm and said,
Amigo, you're the man, man!
My woman in the dead of night. Bring me wisdom for. Plague had visited his home. As sure as you can't be a midwife to a fairy, expect wisdom from a fool, or find a good meal downtown on a Saturday night.
Okay. I really have nothing to ask you because I really don't think we're bonding quite right here. I'm more than a little confused. Let's go to the phones. You're on K-Chat with...
Call yourself a man, man?
A huge fan, man. Your book really helped me get through puberty. Everyone else was into vampires and stuff. I just got into the Viking thing. It's pretty cool. It's been working pretty well for up on me, it really totally sucks. It's a drag. Like, I hang out at the strip mall with all my boys, and she shows up. Is there any advice you can give me?
Yes. There was a man who asked for a night's lodging at a certain farm on the eve of Mountain Day Thursday. Or maybe it was Fat Tuesday. Anyway, in the course of the night, the old woman of the house took out a horn of salve and smeared herself with it from head to toe. She then climbed on top of the stove, sat astride a sweeping broom, and began to...
hello? Excuse me, what the hell are you talking about?
Reading from the runes, wench!
What kind of rune is that?
It's a man's rune, and not appropriate for the warrior under 18 years old. But there's a moral at the end. Are you still there, Fair Jay?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Do you love this woman?
Yeah, I think so. She's really special. Especially in the back seat, if you know what I mean, Thor.
Then behead her and parade thy love around on a stick for the world to admire.
Wow, cool. Thanks, Thor.
Okay, I'd like to throw you out, but you've got an enormous sword and, yeah, let's take another call. But first, listeners, Vice City, remember, don't behead your girlfriend and take her head around on a stick. Hello?
You're a little scaredy kitten, baby boy. Go cry to your mommy.
Fresh. Real fresh. Like it's been a real inspiration and all that. It's most definitely on me and my crew's vibe. And that Loki brother, he's as slick as Salivex. You know what I mean, Trooper? In fact, me and my boys have started a Thor fan club. You know what I'm rapping? We're on your vibe, man.
Aye, a Thor fan club. This pleases Thor very much. I shall speak of myself in the third person from now on.
Yeah, I wasn't really into school all that much, but I...
Not bad. You're a real man.
Right, and instead of naming it something like the Vice Lords of Valhalla, we gave it like a modern name. Keeping things firmly in the 80s, you know? The Blood. Ain't that off the wall, man? We follow your teachings to the letter, sir. Especially how you go around smiting fools with that wild, mad hammer of yours and getting people to know exactly what time it is. You hear?
Have you a magic hammer?
Nah, T. We don't have any old types around here to strap us with superfly hardware like yours, but we do have Mac 10s, the Tech 9s, Trey 8s, Street Sweepers, and all that.
You still the man? You the man, man! I like you, man! I like you anytime, man, because you got the whole... You're a big waste of space. Walk like a man, talk like a man, but you drive like an idiot.
Indiscriminate pillaging. This is, as we say... We shall meet. Till then, beware the frost giant, TJ, and the serpent with two tongues.
Yeah, okay, whatever. Yo, brother, where'd you land that funky, fresh silver helmet of yours? Those wings on the side are wicked, money.
Stop calling me a wench.
I have much to teach you, wench Amy. Only if you would listen. For many centuries, people have asked questions. Why is my fatted calf gone after the gypsy woman appeared? Are there trolls living in my chimney? Sure.
Make you a woman, girl. Oye, ¿qué haces? Para favor. This is the way it has to be.
Try a little harder next time.
See, man?
Hey, Enrico, you the man with the big cojones?
Tommy Vercetti, let's go.
Okay, man. Treat her like a woman. Amigo, you're the man, man. Call yourself a man, man? You're a little scaredy kitten, baby boy. Go cry to your mommy. Not bad. You're a real man. Man, you the man. I like you, man. I like you anytime, man, because you got cojones, and all my friends, they got big cojones.
Before Flash FM, your miserable, insignificant little life was laughable. Now that you found Flash FM, notice you've become more popular. Suddenly everyone wants to hang out with you.
You got big cojones, amigo.
Habit, like shaving and taking out the trash. As soon as you stop, you realize what a prisoner you were to society and the twisted state of morality. People think that nudists are immoral. Well, we're not. I'm married, I love my wife. In our commune, it's so wonderful to wake up in a big bed and go to breakfast clothed in nothing but a smile.
What kind of people are there in your weirdo commune?
Single people, families, elderly couples, teachers, politicians, and especially truck drivers. Truck drivers understand what it's like to be by yourself for days on end, with nothing but country music on the radio and a stick in your hand, shifting gears over and over. Truckers realize there's nothing to be ashamed of on the open road. Get naked and beat it on down the line. You've never seen a sense of community and morality like a nudist colony. We share everything, the cooking, cleaning, wives, a shared sense of what it's like to be a complete social outcast.
Wait right there, Barry. I'm getting something through the cats. Headphones, that is. Yes? Yeah, okay. We just want to tell you a little more about public radio funding. We'll be right back after this.
Tommy,
Enough dead man been chatting about you, my dear. Thought you might need something to make you feel better. So Auntie Poulet make you some stew, eh? Come and check me kitchen sometime, okay, Tommy?
Oye, perro, move that shit.
Una capacito, por favor,
Papi,
Alberto.
hay
problema, Tommy.
Papi, un gran problema.
Alberto, my son, what happened?
Un gran problema. They messed with me. They messed with me for the last time.
What is your problem?
We'll take them out. Only we need some backup. I lost a few hermanos already out there. Amigo, you drive good.
For a woman, right?
This is no time for joking. Come on, drive for me again. Amigo, take my boys over there. If they mess with me, they mess with the biggest boy in town.
I am next in line, man.
Oh yeah, man, look at that car.
Minimum wage. Love conquers all. You know what I mean, Sheila?
The name's Amy.
Aye, right, whatever. Like I was saying, man, right? I'm an artist. I ain't in this for the money. If I were, would I be wearing these clothes? It's because the critics don't know. You know? They stand there and they do not know.
You crazy or something?
Not enough room, man. You need a bigger car.
One day this will be my town, man.
Radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested.
We gonna fight like men.
I got contact. This is radio control. We got problems downtown. Backup requested. Over. 4754. I got contact.
Oye,
Hey,
que te
amigo,
mato.
good to see you can make it. Charge! Now, my brother, charge! Sniper on the roof! They fight like girls. Take cover! We need reinforcements from the cafe! Take out that cowardly sniper!
Sí, man.
Oye, man.
Hear my last cause, man.
You're a disgrace. You are as good as dead.
Fight like men with
parió.
huge cojones! Tommy, we have proved our manful bravery. Let us steal the van full of drugs and make a good escape.
You wanna mess with me?
I will catch your soul like a spider.
I need the money.
La vida es una lenteja, o la toma o la deja. La vida es una lenteja, o la toma o la deja. La vida es una lenteja, o la toma o la deja. ¡Toma! La vida es una lenteja, o la toma o la deja. La vida es una lenteja, o la toma o la deja. La vida es una lenteja, o la toma o la deja.
Alberto! Uno café,
Papa,
senor.
Don't serve the snake in the straw. You're two-faced, Tommy. You're either two-faced or you're a wimp, baby boy. They're laughing at me!
Easy, easy. What's your problem?
They're laughing at me, Tommy, at me, Humberto Rubino. They're doing whatever they like.
Nobody does whatever they like, Umberto. They do what you let them do.
What?
You want somebody taken care of? I can handle it, but it's gonna cost you. I know we're brothers and all, but this is business.
Tommy, you a real man. Businessman, a gentleman. They have a load of product coming in offshore. Really good stuff. We take it, and we finish them. You take it, and I look after you. Like my brother. Like my son.
I think I prefer the cash to being bounced on your knee, amigo.
Easy on the giggle, Green. ¡Mamífero!
Gee, happiness is worth the price.
Hey, Rico. Nice boat. You ready?
See, Tommy, now you be a good shot today. My boat, she no good, full of holes, okay?
Eliminate all the Cuban threats. Demain, nous va manger un ennemi.
Come on, then.
Everything that needs to be said about love. When you belong to the night, it's best to take advantage of it. What takes you up will take you down, man. If everyone remembered that, the world would be okay. Thanks, Hawk. You are a real smart cookie.
Thanks, Chaz. Now, do you think it's important that, well, I mean, you're a great looking guy, even though your girlfriend is a cheap tramp, but do you think it's important that rock and roll bands look good, or is it about the music?
Like I said, I'm a creature with two faces.
Give me your best shot, big man. Dicks! You're all dicks! We got him surrounded.
You know I've been loyal.
What hardware we got?
In the final years of Farewell Ranch, it's a working farm, cattle ranch, and crematorium where the cowboys are all over 75. They'll enjoy rodeo, working in the field, and in all the final resting place for the new trail on Sunshine Hill. Farewell Ranch works from sun up to sundown. And when your loved one passes away, we'll send you a presentation package VHS with the spurs and boots they're wearing as they went on to a pale girl. All residents show love here. Right, Norm? Is this WW2 Farewell Ranch? The way to ride into the sun.
Giggle Cream. It makes dessert funny. Asian pajamas, Chinese bandana, something missing? With a throwing star, kendo sticks, or nunchucks at Vice City's one-stop shop for the silent fashion assassin. Complete the look.
Hi, I'm Amy, and you're on K-Chat.
Waste him, we're always right.
Get off the road, old man.
Hello? Hello?
Come in, my dear, and rest your soul. You must be the big bad man my granddaddy been chatting about. Tell me things about you, you know, when he visits, and about the others who wait for you. Now, we all dead from long time, but you, I wouldn't want to be in your shoes.
I got a message to come here.
Can you hear them? Them calling your name, boy, must want you pretty bad, don't you think? Now, you do old Auntie Pulea turn, and maybe she help you. Maybe she can give you a little juju after all of this. Give you some magic to give the lawman the stink eye.
Look, this is all very, give me what? I think I got the wrong address.
Give me these things, Tommy. The nasty, proud foo-foos. Been making my boys shake their heads. Now they told the policeman where me been stashing my powders. They think it drugs. Them stupid. Now be a good boy, Tommy, and go and get the powders for Auntie Pulea.
Yeah, sure.
I feel like we're revolutionizing things here, or at least repackaging them for a new generation. I'll keep on with the music and off with the chat.
You're really irritating me, man.
Don't move a muscle, chump.
You're really making me mad!
Oh, sorry. I must have the wrong address.
Well, you might as well come in and rest your souls and have some tea. Do you have something there for me, Tommy?
Yeah. This place feels familiar to me. It's a smell from childhood, a deja vu.
Now, Tommy, I'm going to whisper a little errand for you. Hear me well, aye?
You look like someone I...
Them have fast boats they use to cross the seas with drugs. It is their livelihood. Me nephew been making little flying bombs to take them out. Blow the boats to coffin wood.
Thanks for the tea.
Wave 103, where the boys wear more makeup than the girls. Smashing.
Have you ever enjoyed the experience of looking at the world from a glider? It's a profound experience that I have found very
Hello? Hello? I'm looking for somebody around here.
You're looking hungry, Tommy.
Do I know you?
Hush now. One more thing and I can let you go, Tommy. My boys gone war with them boys, but no guns. While they fight in the streets, you will take this rifle. No one sees you, no one hears you. Now, Tommy, you do this for me, and you no longer tied to my apron strings.
Okay, Auntie.
lady, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to make love like a man. You know that, chica? Something like this.
Gross. Loser.
Hey, baby! I wouldn't touch you with a 10-foot pole. Humberto Robina, he likes the ladies, not some goat in a skirt. Tommy, I love you. I love you. Let's go.
Go where? Can I get a cup of coffee first?
No time for coffee. Besides, I just had one.
Oh.
Tommy, how do you take out a snake? You bite him in the ass. You go and get us a little car. When you get it, come back and pick up my boy, Pepe, and take them out to such and such, their processing plant.
Whatever you say, Humberto.
Hey, Tommy, use their solvent as an explosive. Boom! Bye-bye.
Humberto, what about you?
I'm going to stay behind and watch over that cafe with Papa. He's not feeling so good, you know?
The last thing I needed was this. Maybe the last thing I needed was an enema, but this comes close.
I am King Cubano, man.
I got a little brother, mamífero.
Oye, let's go find our muchachos. Whoa, man, you drive like a crazy bitch.
Hola, amigos. Oye, the solvent is around the back, amigo. Bueno, putas. Wait, vamos.
Vamos indeed.
Hello, my compadre. No, they do nice pizzas here.
Okay, in you go.
Going to plant the bomb. Cover me.
I will catch your soul like a spider. Mother! These guys trying to drop me out.
Run!
Oh yeah, this doesn't look right. Hey man, that's not fair.
You're messing with the king.
What are you doing? You got that?
Hey!
The last thing I needed was this. Maybe the last thing I needed was an enema. But this comes close.
Oye, mi brother, qué bárbara está esa canción, pero me estoy cansando de tocarla continuamente para ustedes y cuando volvamos voy a tomar tus live requests. Te lo digo, pero lo que te digo es mentira. Muy poco. Musical Family aquí con Radio Espantoso. Ah!
You lost, man?
last thing I needed was this. Maybe the last thing I needed was an enema, but this comes close.
Gang, shooting a gun. Maybe it's the freedom to go into a poor country and tell them how to do things. Hey, those are all great qualities. But one thing that makes a true patriot is the ability to...
Man, this is a nice part of town.
Hot meal off a hard-working American's table. There. This poor...
These places are dumb, man.
Cheaper, more efficient, my Batsu. Without gross symbols of excess, what will Americans have to look?
No, they do nice pizzas here.
You will dream of me killing you tonight.
Oye, let's go find our muchachos. Whoa, man, you drive like a crazy bitch. You lost, man?
Hola, amigos. Oye, the summit is around the back, amigos. Bueno, putas. Wait, vamos.
Vamos indeed.
Follow my compadre.
Fish or something. Okay, in you go.
Going to plant the bomb. Cover me.
You like this shit?
How much of this can you take?
You want more of this?
Run! I see him!
I will bury you. Muy, muy. You like this shit?
Hey, how's the cafe?
Oh, wonderful. Incredible, Tommy. Incredible. No, Tommy. Just real men. And the beautiful women. Anyway, I wanted to tell you, me and Papi, to us, you're Cuban. You have proved yourself. You got big cojones.
Well, thank you, Umberto. Nobody said that to me since I left jail. See you around.
You better tell him, Mario. I got those clothes you want. Hey, it's Mr. V. You know I've been loyal. You gotta listen to this one, man. I hate that woman. Where we going now? Give me a break. I wouldn't do that. What's going on?
Wild Style on Pirate Radio. Non-stop rap music at its finest, y'all. It's Wild Style on Pirate Radio. Let's rock this joint, y'all. You're on Wild Style with me, Super Rockin' Mr. Magic. A very special throwdown. For those of you who are new to Vice City, this song is all about me